Yes, and welcome once again to another RNG of Euroball answer from the House of Football Republic. I will not enter studio again to give now all the latest that will happen over weekend as we go analyze and try to also project inside future. But before we continue it, might give you a look at that one. I don't know if I'll give this a look at. Henry, this one is for you. You dey always make us start this shoot late. This yellow card is for you. Michael, where you dey? Yellow card to you. You dey always make us start shoot late. Put your face, I beg. Once their face is true, I beg. Thank you very much.
Put their face, put one thing.
Yes, Buchi is inside the studio with me today as I will go start with the analysis of the big game over the weekend, Manchester City against Chelsea. And Buchi, the match not really get live, like you don't get that gym, but Manchester City do the needed, get that one goal, even though say na last minute, well, towards the end of the match, I didn't get the goal.
What I don't know about Pep Guardiola be say, he don't observe, say some kind of game you need to play beautifully well, just win. Some kind of time you play beautiful, you win. We see him against Aston, not playing against Arsenal, but it's got 2 goals out of nowhere.
Exactly.
We see him now against Chelsea because when they try to play so many football, teams will come adapt to know, say, okay, City, if they play well, just stop them. Later, he go score. If they don't play well, what you want to do them? So Pep don't they know, say, okay, this is the way to do. And he don't learn because he don't reach nearly the finals, especially when you know it I win. You need to know how to win ruggedly and beautifully. I know they're doing well. Yes, that game, like, I did disappointed in the way we Chelsea they play. I don't know why Thomas Tuchel complained for a press conference.
But would you wait till they make a complaint? First off, I don't know, now you pick the team.
Yes.
And I used to get rights to change team if they know they do well. Why you not change them when you know saying they do the well? You talk about Christian Pulisic. Every now and then they pass back.
Yes.
You talk about the other man, Hakim Ziyech. I don't know whether Hakim Ziyech never they blend well, whether they understand the tactics.
He makes them Cameroon in the England.
Boy, he gonna use scope blame Lukaku.
Not be saying use scope, he blame Lukaku. He know use scope.
When the people was given a pass, yes, Lukaku missed some one clear chance, yeah. But why you gonna blame the only striker when you get say now more or less they try to want get past? You know they get past from Pulisic. You know they get past from Ziyech.
The Pulisic know that Ziyech I go understand now because I don't go understand now because I want one. But the Lukaku, I think get right to blame Lukaku.
Why? Because he missed plenty chance.
No, because you don't talk too much. See, no, when you talk.
Wait, so that angle you take for
no. When you talk,
but it don't make sense. He don't apologize now.
I don't apologize. Change nothing.
No. He don't apologize.
He get break my tell me I'm sorry for breaking your heart. No.
He don't apologize. If he did do that one because of say what Lukaku talk that time. No, that's wrong.
If you get very if Lukaku can talk, Tuchel can talk too. Everybody get out.
But not be say you one win chance.
No. You get what I'm doing talk say he understand say na defenders work, attackers work, midfielders work to pass to Lukaku or pass to striker.
Yes.
But also na striker work to make other people work. They're different. Say Lukaku don't even touch the ball inside the box.
When they give a pass?
No, he get some passes.
How many passes?
He get some passes.
How many passes?
Stop no be about you get 10.
But you get 10. You're supposed to kill him.
No, and why not? So I watch the match. You need to watch then do one highlight of Lukaku on the match. You go laugh tire. See, Lukaku is a very good player. On a good day, me from here I support him. But again, when I go take talk rich, you gotta go take brag rich. When they come they play, when they do the talking on the pitch, they're very annoying. But right now, Chelsea they go through bad phase. But not even bad phase, like average phase. They lose game they're supposed to lose. They win game they're supposed to win. So kind of thing, I think they're just small thing they meant to fix. I think they're just small.
So what do you mean that small thing?
I think my players just inside they compact and they more taking their chances.
You know, maybe not the coach line up sometimes.
It cannot be Tuchel. No, it cannot be Tuchel.
And the tactics.
He go take blames. See. Coach go do wrong, coach go do right. Talks from a coach if I be licensed. Coach go do wrong, go do right. No, that is simple truth. Pep Guardiola.
Buchi don't do now.
You never talk about my coach. No, it's annoying.
Pep Guardiola don't increase in Sabines for EPL. The sweet thing for him I say, Pep Guardiola don't even use striker. He don't use striker. Phil Foden be first 9. He use Sterling. He use what's his name, Jack Grealish. Fantastic guy.
He didn't striker before.
Yeah.
Gabriel uses also.
And he didn't win.
Don't wait till they play from. He don't need striker now. Don't know the striker since last season.
But Mo come to Manchester United and their wala continue.
Wow.
2 goals up, they allow Aston Villa to come back. Wow. But we guys give Felipe Coutinho also. We guys give him a punaka, give him a clap. Yeah, but Buchi. For crying out loud. Crying out loud. What did it happen?
I don't know, Timi.
No. We got I
don't know.
No. But every day you don't say you don't know.
On this one,
and you claim coach. No, what did it happen?
No. On this, I see, it did hard to analyze. Because I watched the match. But by the way, United scored 2 goals. I feel like they create chances. That match are like 50-50.
Yes.
But again, when you go take score 2 goals.
You get confidence.
Second half, you go chill ass. Like, okay. One thing they happen. They score one.
But you know, be the first time it is under Ralph Rangnick.
Not be first time, even on that social. Not be only the 50th time.
No,
you don't see. I think something they mentally wrong with United. That's why they look the interview with Ronaldo do. Talk say, he know the solution, no.
He don't play,
but he don't go talk in get injury. He know this one. Say he know the solution, no.
For those who always blame Ronaldo, say Ronaldo let them play well.
Fault. No, Aston Villa bought them well. Aston Villa bought Man U well. Man U too ball. Well. But it just did too. I don't know. I think. See. Their problem. I'll be Arsenal fan.
Their problem. I remember say Arsenal go play their second leg against Liverpool just this week. Liar. They go play their match, their second leg against Liverpool for this week. Remember, the first leg ends 0-0 when Liverpool and Aston play for Anfield. They go play the second leg for Emirates Stadium. Buchi Shapali entered the Spanish Super Cup. Then play for Saudi Arabia for the King Fahad Stadium. Madrid's black. Now them go dominate Spanish football for a very long time. Barcelona will see them play a Clasico for this same cup.
Yes.
Then beat Barcelona. Yes, 5-goal thriller, but then still find a way to beat Barcelona. For Ancelotti, you want to say this chance now for him to make Real Madrid very, very dominant for inside Spain.
Fantastic. And in get luck saying they do and when the other teams they get
they flop.
Barcelona know their problem now. Atletico Madrid, I don't even understand their problem. Atletico Madrid. So
how they lose to Athletic Bilbao?
If you ask me who I go ask, I don't know what thing they do, but Real Madrid right now. See, I don't think they really do not really first things, they do the basic things. And the good thing about them is he get experience. Benzema they play like person with the vex. Modric and they play better football. For defense, Alaba right now already bring one kind of solidity. Imagine they miss Sergio Ramos, like it's crazy. In some ways, so Vinicius Junior don't step up. I don't understand that guy. Stepping up right now, they play with it tomorrow day, and then get good squad, good bench. See, I think Ancelotti just the basics, not do too much, because this is not team already they win. If you come when they do tactical masterclass, then go leave you. Just go to the basic, and
because
they
these boys they know football.
They know football.
They understand football.
So just follow them, small. Not gonna do.
They're gonna do like headmaster.
Investor Sabinus. Just do what you're supposed to do, and that's why I like Ancelotti. You know what I'm for Bayern Munich, because Bayern Munich be like upgraded secondary school. Now you when know the system go to do well for there. You go Everton, do well for Everton by the way with that squad we get. And right now go back to Madrid. One of the best managers ever done Carlo Ancelotti. Respect him. Me and you will get our coaching license together. For Swaziland.
You're a bunkwa for saying that. Moving on. Congratulations to Real Madrid. Hala Madrid. Congratulations to them. Their first cup for this season. And they don't win. Yes, Moku Shapali entered the matter as he consigned the Super Eagles for Afcon. And so far so good. Nigeria don't give us joy. Whether or not you like them,
I swear to God,
they don't give us joy.
I swear to God.
All the players where they played, in fact, somebody talk say, no, not even somebody, me talk and say, we'll not even enter gear 2 for that match against Sudan.
At all. I want to talk up now.
Buchi, the way Super Eagles they play,
bro.
No, just give us more.
No.
Give us more analysis.
What he has observed about this team, they say, this not team play. Everybody day for everybody, and everybody they express themselves. Even Simon Moses talk him.
Yeah.
Say under a go for if they willing to express themselves like him they do for in club. And then they tell us now say when Rod they they to express themselves well. It is very obvious.
Yeah.
Like you want to when they doubt Joe Aribo.
Can you imagine?
I go see Joe Aribo go Scotland. I go see and go Scotland. They play for Scotland.
For Nigeria, you can't the one that say.
I go see when Simon go. France they play like Messi, you come Nigeria play like Stanley Okoro. So I just did.
Why? But still go to Stanley Okoro.
No, they convince me for kind time. I don't want to see waiting be the problem. You know, say manager not there for like 5 years. It can't be numb for your ear.
Yeah.
That one Nigeria don't really like Moses Simon that much. Some they would they shock saying they would they play well today. Who they watch this guy for France?
And if they score goal, they give assist.
That one for you. Him not workaholic. The guy know they tire. See, this team they give us something good. Something good in the sense, say, after they go this Afcon, Baba, even the NFL don't even rate them. If they rate them,
they don't go carry
appoint new coach.
Foreign coach.
They don't even get platinum, at least win Afcon. Simple truth. Even Nigerians right now, expectation they low. Because one, preparation, we not even sure whether we'll go early. The day they won't go, they don't even know they fix them.
January 6th, now they train their first train.
Players
with
injury.
The whole players.
As in it's crazy. Players injury again. So everybody don't use that they down.
Star players, they no deal.
Crazy.
Osimhen no deal. Igalo no deal.
Bro, this team, they play football in a way where then they force them. Eguavon no say in get talented players. It is very easy. In talk one way bust my brain. Say into the players, look at me as your father or your brother and your friend. Confide in me. We could express ourselves. A football coach, yes, do tactics, but if the players don't believe you as a person, they're not going to play for you.
True.
And now these players, it they obvious, so they play for them. When they score the third goal, Simon, the way they go hug themselves, like you can see from expression. And they try to do negative. But when Guerrero, if Nigeria they score, the celebration are first celebration. More celebrate to Guerrero, they watch more celebrate to more stand next game. Be honest.
Leave Guerrero.
But now, you can see the vibe in Guerrero now pass.
You say Guerrero talk something for Canal Plus, by the way, when Nigeria play against Sudan. He say Nigerians na them they yab Moses Simon say he don't respect the guy right from time. Say the guy they always na very gentleman. According to him words, he say Moses Simon a gentleman on and off the pitch. Saying that Nigerians no respect Moses Simon. Buchi not true.
See, we Nigerians normally we complain too much. It's not a new thing. But Simon too on the pitch, not really play for Nigeria. Let's be honest.
Because of
as an attacker.
Okay.
They go come Nigeria play at left back. But they defend. Simon normally do defensive job a lot of time.
But the coach is a gentleman.
See, no, I don't care about gentleman off the pitch. I care about what you do on the pitch.
Even on the pitch.
On the pitch, no, you want to go gentle on the pitch. But they call now film the act. So it is different. Like players they express themselves, and I love it and I like it. Like the player what the only thing what they fear me now for this our team, not the negative. Now two things: goalkeeping and striker.
What you do around goalkeeper?
Madrid'S.
Now just one goal you don't chop and a penalty. Anybody feel score penalty. Anybody feel chop penalty. So wait, you don't rate Madrid'S Okoye. Okay, more leave Madrid'S Okoye. Come into your stars for Nigeria so far for the Afcon. At least mention stars where you don't say yes. They go rise up to the occasion for us.
100%. I like Samuel Chukwueze. I dey fear because that won't join wing, but now I don't like. He never need 100% fit. But with time he go use that take grow. Chukwueze na confirm baller anytime, any day. And that player too is that they bust my brain to Joe Aribo.
Joe Aribo
right now they play in get that, and I remember what Van Broncos talk about him. Say this na player if he play 10, if he play 8 easily because number one he get his strength, he get his position, and he get good sense. Like he play under Gerrard, play under Van Broncos. They see they play well. One player to side to Sanusi. When they look at left back, what they do with that left back?
They put in the shift
they
well.
Attack where they play regular for Poto. We also get online. Yes, in penalty. It happen once in a while.
One key man we say we know they take note of online.
No.
Yeah.
That right in the thank God. I don't know it's Abdullah. So injury good. He said Abdullah come this tournament, he go play. He go play, but he no come or not they play well. But respect to Ekong, by the way, has only the team well. He may get some bad games for that. But right now, don't drop in YouTube, social media. He don't come back. Omeru, see the full team. Omeru to ballers. See again, I go talk at me. The only two things what they fear for that team.
Now the
goalkeeper and striker.
Okay.
I like Awoni. But I want to get what team they needed to lead this team.
Who you go prefer to Awoni for?
I don't know. You know what? For me, some games, he not trying to be striker, but he better say he not trying to dead there and put one player to play behind nature. If he carry, he will become or carry maybe a push Joaribo confront play Oyeka depending on your formation. But Awoni. He never get that far.
The reason why I like Awoni and say the guy they hustle. He put in body for ball. They try to create space for other players too.
Awoni for me that they talk like I said. Defend. Try to score goal, nobody will see you. You go away with score. You know who say score goals. I don't know. You go just say, take. You know what score? Don't take the goal.
Moku wish her well as the Super Eagles go ready to enter the round of 16 and also make sure that they go as far as possible for this Afcon. And at the matter for Republikans, Naija'S, we don't check out everything will happen over the weekend. And also as things going to be for future. Okay, yes, my people, now here we go to put full stop on top of the matter as we don't come to the end of Republikans for today as we don't talk everything will happen over the weekend and also as it be for the Super Eagles for Afcon. Hopefully then we'll go as far as possible so that we'll still get that joy for Nigeria. And as we
for the cup.
Remember, say you fit still subscribe to this our channel and also the notification button, click them so that or subscribe to them also more or less click the notification button, make it day on for your phone so that when we drop our video you go feel get notification on top of your phone say yes so Republikans don't come from Football Republic. Till I turn ahead again next time, remember to subscribe to our channel like I talk Football Republic NG Republic with a K. Name the channel for YouTube and also for social media. Football Republic, just find them. Football Republic with the K. My name goes under as Timi, the first and the best nobody contest. Pigeon commentator of the Federal Republic, PCFR. Signing out.
Football Republic.